So the first step in soybean stand assessment actually precedes any planting. And what we're asking the grower to do is really work at determining what are those optimum populations. So two components we want to look at from a field perspective and also from a genetics perspective. These two things. First, the field. We're asking the growers to look at that field. It could be an area within the field if they're doing precision soy system, but is it a high or a mid or a low producing environment? And correspondingly, we would have in the high yield zones, we'll ask the grower to plant a little less seed, and in the lower yielding zones, in turn, they're going to plant more seed. So looking at those production zones, high, mid, and low, one of the things that we've looked at through our population dynamic study is that the populations, the ideal populations on some soybeans and varieties and environments will range from as low as 100,000 in some of these really high yielding to over 200,000 in some of the lower yielding environments. So it's really exciting. This has a significant impact from cost of production, but also it will help growers move the needle forward and grow a better crop of soybeans. The second part deals with genetics. It's really important to know the varieties and get this information from your Syngenta rep and your dealer. But what is the plant architecture? Is it slender? Is it a mid bush or is it a full bush variety? This in turn again has a very big impact on what are the optimum populations. So working with your Syngenta rep and looking at our population matrix, we can suggest to you some of the optimum populations to consider, to target, and then in turn what that seeding rate would be. As we say, this is the first step in stand establishment.